आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
To the political story today. For God's sake, I don't understand why Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has to go to this extent of Muslim appeasement that he visits a mosque with his wife and other Samajwadi Party leaders and does a political meeting there. Does it? Let's debate.
Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav's mosque visit has sparked massive outrage. Akhilesh Yadav, accompanied by his wife Dimple Yadav and other SP MPs, visited a mosque near Parliament. The BJP says that Akhilesh disguised a political meeting and called the mosque an unofficial Samajwadi Party office.
समाजवादियों ने क्या मस्जिद पे कब्जा कर लिया है? दिल्ली वक्फ बोर्ड उस मस्जिद का मैनेजमेंट देखती है और जो इमाम हैं वो दिल्ली वक्फ बोर्ड के ज़रिए नियुक्त हैं, लेकिन वो सांसद हो गए। तो सांसद हो गए तो क्या समाजवादियों की मीटिंग होगी मस्जिद के अंदर? कहीं से भी ये स्वीकार नहीं।
BJP Minority Morcha criticized Dimple Yadav's attire, saying that it hurt Islamic sentiments and threatened an FIR. Samajwadi Party has denied all allegation and hit back at BJP.
देखिए, जो बीजेपी के लोग हैं, मुझे तो हैरानी होती है और एक तरह से कहूँ तो हंसी आती है कि वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि समाजवादी पार्टी मस्जिद की धार्मिक की राजनीति कर रही है। वो लोग अपने गिरबान में झांके, ये राजनीति वही करते हैं और वही काफ़ी है इस प्रकार की राजनीति करने के लिए। हम धर्म की राजनीति नहीं करते, हम हक और इंसाफ की, सच की राजनीति करते हैं।
In the middle of the controversy, Akhilesh Yadav has taken on BJP. He says that the job of faiths is to unite people, and divisive BJP members are irritated by his act.
जहाँ तक मैं समझता हूँ बात को, आस्था और कोई भी धार्मिक स्थान कभी नकारात्मकता नहीं ला सकता, नेगेटिविटी नहीं ला सकती। पॉजिटिविटी, सकारात्मक होना, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चढ़ाता है। कोई अच्छी बात करोगे आप, जुड़ने की, सम्मान की, व्यवहार की, तो वो चिढ़ते हैं। ये मिली जुली संस्कृति के खिलाफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग हैं।
But yet, he did not clarify whether he had a political meeting inside a mosque or not.
Anila Singh, are you sure this was a political meeting? If so, can you tell us why you think it's a political meeting? Of the BJP, Anila Singh, Pooja Mishra, Samajwadi Party, Mujibur Rahman is joining us tonight on the other side, anti-BJP. Yeah, Anila Singh, was this a political meeting? Are you sure?
My Ram to all, and definitely. What else Akhilesh Yadav and his chamchas and his wife were doing there in Masjid? Akhilesh Yadav ji is a politician. All politicians from Samajwadi Party, they were present there. So, वहाँ पर कोई वो बिरयानी खाने तो गए नहीं थे. They wanted to send a message across Muslim community. But Muslim community must understand a woman who is the wife of Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, she even did not bother to cover her head. A simple decorum to maintain. She did not do that. So this is the real face of the Samajwadi Party's leadership. That they want votes from Muslim community, but they do not want to give any sort of respect. पर ये इनका चरित्र है ना। अखिलेश यादव जी कह रहे हैं मस्जिद हो, चाहे मंदिर हो, चाहे गिरजाघर हो, कोई भी धार्मिक स्थान हो, वहाँ से पॉजिटिविटी आती है।
Women MP into national political debate.
Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, hold on, lady. So I need
Pooja, 1 minute. Pooja, 1 minute. Anila, 1 minute. Not both of you together. Anila, one of you stop. Anila, stop. Pooja.
Who happens to be imam of that mosque? He lives there, and it was parliamentary break. He asked his fellow MPs
Stop
come visit
barking.
my place. That's
Stop
such a
barking.
normal thing. But
Stop
what
barking.
issue you have
Stop
just because
barking.
the
Stop
member
barking.
of
I'm not here
parliament
to listen. You're
is
barking
Muslim?
here.
The
Stop
space
barking.
is
Stop
mosque,
barking. Stop
and
barking.
it's
Stop
opposition.
barking here.
It's opposition. Even you
Stop
are not
barking
sparing
here.
a woman,
Stop
a
barking.
female MP. You are
Stop
talking about her
barking.
attire.
Samajwadi
How she
Party
behaved.
doesn't have any
Element,
sense.
You are
production.
backing
They don't know what is the
political
meaning
debate.
of dharam ki rajniti.
Political
They do not
debate
understand what is the meaning of dharam for us.
And it is
So
used
they
to
understand the
be
meaning of dharam only for one particular religion. That
and
is
this is the characteristic. This is the characteristic of BJP.
Respect for
That
that
this defines your
Stop
character.
barking and listen
You
to me.
find
And listen to me, lady.
everywhere you find a
Why are you-
communal
why are
angle.
you bar-
It was
why are
just
you
a
barking
simple
here? Why are
break,
you barking
and he
here?
asked his
Shut
fellow
up.
MPs to visit
Shut
because
up.
he
No, no,
happened to
Shut
be
up,
Imam of
shut
mosque.
up, shut
He
up,
lives
shut
there,
up.
and
Your
he-
leader is finding positivity in masjid. Your leader is finding positivity in masjid. What about मंदिर?
That's none of your
मंदिर वो
business.
तुड़वाएंगे, मस्जिद वो बनवाएंगे और कहेंगे कि हमें वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा जो है सकारात्मक ऊर्जा
Okay,
महसूस हो।
I want to Pooja, 1 minute. Thank you, Pooja, 1 minute. Pooja, see, just 1 minute, please, okay? See, and don't disturb me when I'm saying something. Everybody knows that you are an anti-Hindu party. Everybody, it's a known fact that you are anti-Hindu, and the more you become.
Anything without proof, and you want me not to interrupt you.
1 minute. What proof do you want?
I'm here to just hear your remarks.
You want me
That
to
you
give
are
you
giving
proof?
remarks?
You want me to give you
Okay,
proof?
okay.
You want me to give you proof, Pooja?
Yeah, of course. I
Okay,
want
then
to
do you
give
have the
proof.
courage when I
Of
tell you
course
the
I
proof? Then remain quiet. I'll give
Yes.
you the proof. But
I will
don't
counter it,
interrupt
and
me
you
when
have
I'm
to
giving you the
deny.
proof.
You have to
You
deny
asked for
that
me.
proof.
You asked for me to
You
give you
have to
proof.
deny
You
that
said
proof.
Arnab, give me proof. I'm giving you proof. So
Yes, of
listen.
course, you
I
have
am
to
giving
give
you
me
proof
proof.
that you're an anti-Hindu party. You have always
Yes,
been an
yes,
anti-Hindu
yes,
party.
yes,
You are
yes,
against
yes,
Sanatan
yes,
Dharm.
yes,
You are
yes,
against
yes,
Hindus.
yes, yes,
Your
yes,
position
yes,
is of
yes,
Hindu phobia.
yes,
You
yes,
hate
yes,
Hindus.
yes,
You
yes,
hate
yes,
Hindus.
yes,
You're an anti-Hindu
yes,
party,
yes,
and I will
yes,
prove to you
yes,
that you're an
yes,
anti-Hindu
yes,
party.
yes,
Now I have no
yes,
problem
yes,
with your
yes,
wanting to
yes,
becoming
yes,
Samajwadi Muslim Party. Are you Samajwadi Muslim Party?
You are who said that?
Are you okay?
How
So
will
you are
you
saying
say-
you are not Samajwadi Muslim Party.
We are Samajwadi Party.
Okay, you are
and
Samajwadi
even the
Party.
election
But are you
commission, the
Samajwadi
vote
anti-Hindu
commission,
party?
election commission,
Are you
Party.
Samajwadi anti-Sanatan party? Sanatan विरोधी समाजवादी पार्टी. And आपने कहा मुझे
एंटी समाजवादी.
ओके आई टेल अरे छोड़िए ना मेरी बात, आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुनिए. अच्छा सुन लीजिए पूजा जी कृपा करके अपने इस Okay, Pooja, see, I'm talking to you. I'm not shouting at you. Let's have a pleasant conversation.
I'm listening to you, but I won't take your wrong remarks.
Okay, now you asked me or not, you proved to me that I'm an anti-Hindu party. I am going to prove to you on live television that you're an anti-Hindu party because, and listen to it, because. और इस पर बात सुनो. सब लंबी सांस लेके इस बात को सुने, मुजाबुर रहमान भी सुने. देखिए, एक ही पार्टी है जिन्होंने कहा कि ये जो कार सेवक है ना, या अयोध्या में घुसने की कोशिश करे, हम इनको ऐसी सीख सिखाएंगे वहाँ पे, और फिर ऑर्डर दे दी कि कार सेवकों का नरसंहार कर दो, जो अक्टूबर 30, 1990 में लहूलुहान हो गया है ना सरयू नदी में. और वहाँ पे मुलायम सिंह यादव ने कहा कि फिर से करना पड़े और कार सेवकों को मारूंगा, हो जाए नरसंहार. और हुआ वहाँ पे नरसंहार, और नरसंहार हिंदू कार सेवकों पर हुआ. इसीलिए ये कोई, इट इज नॉट फिक्शन, ये रियलिटी है. ये रियलिटी है कि नहीं है पूजा जी? पूछता है भारत.
When he was awarded honored with the Padma Vibhushan, what were you doing? What was your channel doing at that time?
I can't hear you.
He deserved to be. That's why he had it. In 1992, what happened?
Why are you talking about Padma Vibhushan? I'm talking about firing on car sevaks.
In 1992, what happened?
मैं कह रहा हूँ firing of car sevaks पे बात हुई ना.
Padma Vibhushan is being given.
फायरिंग ऑफ कार सेवक्स पर फायरिंग की नहीं, हिंदुओं की नरसंहार की. और उसके बाद आप मस्जिद में जाके पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग कर रहे हैं. क्यों?
You have problem with Samajwadi Party.
I
not
don't have
the
problems with
people,
Samajwadi
the
Party. I have
people
problems with the way in which you
open
killed
fire.
card sevaks. They are citizens of India. They have human rights. You violated those human rights. Mujabur Rahman, now tell me one thing. अगर 240 मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट को ले जाकर, है ना, कल नड्डा जी बोले कि देखिए हम ना इस मंदिर उस मंदिर में वहाँ पे हम पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग करेंगे, हम ना पार्लियामेंट में करेंगे ना पार्लियामेंट एनेक्सी में, हमको सिंबलिज्म करनी है, हम सीधे जाके स्वामीनारायण मंदिर में पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग करेंगे सारे बीजेपी के जितने सांसद हैं, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? आप बोलेंगे भारतीय जनता पार्टी हिंदू पार्टी है। अभी आप मस्जिद में कर रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग, तो लोग कहेंगे कि आप मुस्लिम पार्टी है। क्या इज दिस परसेप्शन रॉन्ग, मुजाबिर?
It happens. BJP members, BJP Prime Minister, BJP other ministers, chief ministers go to temples and they used to do
They
meetings
go to
there.
temples, but do
They
all
used to
MPs
do
go to
meetings
one
of
temple
people,
to have a political
around
meeting?
there. No, all, no, not all. Now let me tell you,
all
mosque
MPs,
is the
Akhilesh
house of
Yadav is
God
from
and it
Kannauj.
is open for everyone.
Dimple Yadav is
Even
MP
you
from
can
Mainpuri.
come, Arnab Goswami, anyone can come and
Ziaur Rahman is from Sambhal.
look. Even
Mohibul Balla Naqvi is from
So
Rampur.
we are open.
Rajiv Rai is from Ghosi.
You are.
अक्षय यादव
you
is from
can come.
फिरोजाबाद. सारे तो सांसद है ना, पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग नहीं है तो क्या है?
Let me explain.
It's not a
Let me
biryani
explain.
party.
Let me explain.
ठीक.
Let me explain. Let me explain. Mosque is not just to offer salah,
Oh.
but there is a program that in every Friday the khutbah is given, which is called sermon.
आज तो Friday
And
भी नहीं है.
The imam tells the people what to do, what not to do.
मान्यवर आज
it's not
बुधवार
about
है,
Friday. We can
शुक्रवार
do
नहीं है.
anytime, any day.
शिवरात्रि है, बुधवार है.
You can do any day, any time. I'm
ऐसे
just giving
पावन
you
दिन
the
वो कहीं
example.
मंदिर नहीं गए.
Friday is
ऐसे
mandatory.
पावन दिन पर कहीं मंदिर जाते हैं, कहीं शिव मंदिर जाते हैं. वैसे लोगों की पर्सनल चॉइसेस है, वो
I
मस्जिद
have
क्या
used
पॉलिटिकल
seen
मीटिंग
that all
कर.
the politicians during elections goes to mosque, goes
Oh,
to
तो,
temples.
अच्छा,
They
during
don't become then Hindu appeasement. It's their religion. They can go. If I am open for everyone. I have no problem. If any
How much time?
person of any religion come to mosque to see anything, to discuss
Anila.
anything, to discuss the problem, to discuss our
You don't
problem,
have any
to
other
discuss
place.
their problem, you are most welcome.
It's your campaign office. Masjid becomes your campaign office.
Most-
Maulvis will decide your candidates. आपके
No.
हाँ, पूजा देखिए ये इस लॉजिकल सेंस तो नहीं बना पाए
You
आप
can
पूजा
come
जी.
for discuss any problem.
The thing
The
is that
problem can be
I've already
discussed in the mosque.
telling you, the
This is the
Samajwadi
purpose
Party
of the
telling
mosque.
it that Mohibullah, he is the MP from Rampur. He happens to be Imam of that mosque. He lives there. It was nearby Parliament, so he requested his fellow members to visit, to have a cup of tea. A simple thing, simple, hospitality. You will do same. If someone of your colleague will visit you and your home is nearby, you'll say that, okay, come to my home, have a cup of tea. And that you are calling it a political meeting.
Anila, last
Where
one.
part of that meeting?
Let-
Where you
let
part
me
of that?
talk- let me
If BJP were part of it,
Arnab,
they can tell
you
me-
must-
they can tell you that whether it was a meeting or not.
Arnab, you must try to understand one thing, that today is Shivratri, Shravan Mas.
But if you
Shravan Mas Shivratri is today. So instead of going to the temple, he went to the masjid. He wanted to give the message to the Hindus that you are bloody no one. And he wanted to appease one particular religious community. So on Shivratri, instead of going to temple, he went to the masjid. Till date, he has not gone. He has not gone to Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. क्योंकि उनको राम मंदिर में पहुंचना
Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute. Just 1 point now. 1 point now. When I'm back, the big story. When I'm back, I will tell you why I believe that Jagdeep Dhankar could be a Congress mole, and why the Congress is batting so hard for a man who they accused a few months back of destroying Indian democracy. The mystery unraveled in a few minutes.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप